In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Venmo Tap to Pay on iPhone. This is a really simple way to accept payments directly on your phone without needing any extra card readers or hardware, so make sure to stick around until the end. First, open your Venmo app and make sure you're signed in to your business profile. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the Charge button. Once you do that, you'll see different payment options, and from here, you want to select Tap to Pay on iPhone. Now, go ahead and enter the amount you're charging your customer. You can also add a note to describe what the payment is for, like coffee, haircut, or invoice number, but that part is optional. Once you've added the details, tap on Tap to Pay on iPhone to move forward. At this point, hand your iPhone to the customer or hold it out so they can complete the payment. They can either hold their contactless credit or debit card near the top of your iPhone, or simply use their own iPhone or Apple Watch with Apple Pay. The phone will recognize the tap and you'll see the payment start processing right away. When it's complete, you'll get a confirmation on your screen letting you know the transaction went through. If they want to leave a tip, they can also do that before finalizing the payment. That's all it takes. Venmo Tap to Pay on iPhone makes it quick and professional to accept payments anywhere, anytime, and you never have to worry about carrying extra equipment. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below